Hi friends, welcome to SV Technology. In this video, we are going to discuss DBMS concepts. DBMS introduction, basic operations, objectives of DBMS, history of DBMS, applications of DBMS. Before going to the topic, please do subscribe to my channel. So here we are going to discuss very basics of database management system. First one is data is collection of raw facts which not yet been processed. For example, we can take text which are characters and numbers which are digits, images, speech, videos, audio files. All these are raw facts which are not yet processed is called as data. Next, information. The processed data which is usable and understandable by the user is known as information. So what is database? The collection of interrelated data of an organization stored in a organized manner without redundancy and accessed by multiple users. So as we said, data is the raw facts and database is organized data. The data in database stored in two different ways. First one is a structured way, that is stored in tabular format. Second one is unstructured way, that is stored as web pages and files, etc. So the main objectives of database we are going to discuss is mass storage. To store large amount of data means we are able to store large amount of data by using database. The second one is redundancy. Redundancy means removing duplicates from the data. Third one is multi-user access. Fourth one, protection, security for data access. All these are objectives of database. So here we can discuss few basic operations of database. First one is create. This operation creates the database on particular organization or particular name. Inserting means we are including or inserting the data to the database. Deleting, we are removing or deleting the data from database. Updating means we can call it as alteration. Updation means we are changing the data based on the performances of database. Next, selection. So selection means we are retrieving the data. Required data. Sorting. So sorting the data means we are arranging the data in our required format, that is ascending or descending, like that. Next, what is database management system? The database management system is a software which can be used to perform different operations on data, like to create database, to insert, to delete, to modify, and to maintain. Like these operations, basic operations are performed on database by using database management system. So here I am giving few important or few most popular DBMS softwares here. That is Oracle 9i, 11, 12c, 16, etc. We have so many versions in Oracle. Next, MS SQL, Microsoft SQL Server or MS SQL Server we call it. MySQL, DB2, FoxPro, MongoDB. Like this, we have various organization oriented DBMS softwares which are using widely in our present industry. So here I am giving few applications of database management system. Applications means where we are going to use these database management systems in our real life. So here banking is a sector where we use database widely. So to store customer information, account information, payments, and banking transaction activities, for all these terms we are going to use the database management system, either Oracle, MS SQL, SQL, etc. Next, airlines. So in airlines, for reservations, cancellations, schedules, information, and also staff and for passenger information, means customers information should be recorded. So in universities, student and course information, registration and result with grade, college information, etc., are stored in a database management system, and it will be manipulated. Telecommunication. Information of communication network, call recordings, monthly bills, maintaining balance sheets, etc. So these all are done by database management system. Finance. For storing information about holdings, sales, and purchase of financial assets such as stocks and bonds, etc. Sales. To store customer, product, and sales information, etc. In manufacturing, for management of supply chain and for tracking production of items on factories, inventories of items in warehouse, stores, and order of items. For all this we are going to use database management system in manufacturing also. So human resource, to store information about employees and employers, salaries, payrolls, tax, and benefits. To store everything and manage this we use database management system. Next one, online shopping. So online shopping like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, etc., Misho, like this we have so many online shopping websites to store data and manage data. These online shopping companies are going to use database management system. Social media means we know that already Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn, like this social media is going to store a huge amount of data with the help of database management system, and it manages it. So here we are going to discuss history of database management system or evolution of database management system. So in 1950s, data processing using only magnetic tapes for storage. On the time, hard disk or not yet designed or invented. Tapes provide only sequential access. Dynamic access is not possible with these magnetic tapes. Punch cards are used as input. On the time, we don't have keyboards, all these mouse, everything. Early 1960s, hard disks are allowed to direct access data. Charles Babbage was first person developed DBMS concept called integrated data storage, which is IDS, integrated data storage. IDS was developed based on network data model. We have few data models: network data model, hierarchical data model, object oriented data model. Like this we have so many data models. On that network model is used for this IDS. So late 1960s, EF code introduced IBM's information management system, that is called as IMS. IMS was developed based on hierarchical data model. So last one, IDS is developed based on network model. This IMS is based on hierarchical data model. In 1970s, relational data was developed by EF Cod. Here we represent the data in form of relations table. So this relational data model is most widely used and most popular data model. In 1976, Peter Chen developed ER model called entity relationship model, which is widely used in database design. This is also called as graphical design also. In 1980s, SQL was introduced by IBM. It is very popular query language. In 1980 to 1990, so many DBMS softwares are developed by IBM, Oracle, Informix, Microsoft, etc. So in 1985, object-oriented DBMS developed, and in 1990s, large decision support data and data mining applications stored. Large multi-area byte data warehouses are integrated. Emergence of web commerce. So these all are happen in 1990s. In 1995, first internet database application was developed. In 1992, first HTML page was developed, and in 1995, first internet database application was developed. In 1997, XML applied to database processing. Many vendors begin to integrate XML into DBMS products. In 1999, James Gray proposed the database transaction management for processing transaction which allowed the user to run their programs concurrently. So this is the video. In next videos, I am going to discuss all the concepts of database management system. So please do subscribe to my channel and support me. This is Mahesh signing off.